Dear friends, good morning. God bless you all. Be happy and long live. Warmly welcome you at Tech Solutions official YouTube channel. Today we are working on PABX Telephone Exchange. Before starting the video, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment and must press the bell icon to watch our videos in the future. Now, this is the PABX Telephone Exchange. At first, uh, we attach the power. So here is the power plug, AC 220. Put on the power here, and now showing the power here at power button. Now the power is okay. Push to on the telephone exchange. Now run light is on. Now we check it, is it working or not. First of all, we check this is two ports for the line and 8 ports for the intercom. Eight extensions here and 2 lines. Now we check first on the extension lines, they are working or not. Attached with the telephone. Now at first, port number 1, we are checking now the port number 1 working or not. This is 801, port number 1. This is working. Now check the 802. Just dial 805. Yes, it is working. You can hear a beep sound. Now check the port number 3. This is 803. You can change the extension number by programming. Now we are checking the 803. Yes, it is working. Now checking the port number 804. Is it working or not? Yes, it is working. Just dial 803. Yes, this is dialing now. Now check the port number 805. Is it working or not? Yes, it is working. Again 806. Is it working or not? Yes, it is working. Check the next port. Next port is 807. We are dialing 805, this port, and this is working. Now check the last port, that is 808. 808 is working. Yes, it is working properly. Now we attach the line cord here on the line 1. Yes, now I attach the line 1 on the line port. Now check, is it working or not. To pick up the line, we just dial hash if there is line 1, hash 1. If there is line 2, then hash 2. We are picking the line 1, hash 1. Line is not coming, I think. Yes, correctly enter here. Yes, the line is coming now. Again check. Yes, now the line is working. Now dial any extension number. Yes, working now. Now we check the line 2. Insert the line code into port number 2 at the speakerphone. Again, now we, for the line 2, hash 2. Now the line 2 is speaking. Picked up the line 2. Again, I show you again the line 2 now clear. Again we check line 2. Dial the extension number. Yes, working. It is working now. Now we check if I switch off, because this exchange come with the built-in battery pack, so it must working without power supply. When I switch off the power supply, now it is not working. It has been off. Let's check the battery first. Is that working or not? This is the battery pack inside here. Open the battery cover. I'm opening the battery cover. Let's see. Battery is why not working? Is that faulty or expired or something else? Let's see. Oh, there is no battery inside. You can see there is no battery inside. Let's check these 2 points before installing the new battery. Are they working or not? Plug in the power supply. Plug in first the power supply. Now switch on the switch on here, and now check the volts are coming or not for the charging of battery. Now the volts are coming. There are 7.3 volts here. These 2 points are working. Now we are checking the voltages are, if you can see, the voltages are okay coming. And now we are installing a new battery here. So this is the battery. This is the battery, 6 volt 4.5 Ah. Now we insert here the battery. Look, before connecting the battery, check the battery volts. Yes, battery is working perfectly good. 6.190. Open circuit volt. And now we connect the battery with the battery terminals. Now insert here this like this. Yes. Now fix the cover here over the battery. Now we fix the battery over cover here. Tight the screw. All the screws tight perfectly, otherwise the battery can fall down. So I am tightening the screw. Now I show you after removing the power source, is it working or not? Yes, here you can see right now the working. If I remove the power source from here, is it working or not? Oh yes, it is working because I switch off the, you can see I switch off the power plug is here, you can see you can see power plug is here, the light goes down and this light is glowing up. Now the battery is working perfectly all right. Now we check this through telephone, is it working properly or not? Yes, it is working, it is working good now. So this is the video. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and must press the bell icon to watch our videos in the future. Stay blessed and happy, and you can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye, see you with the next video. Allah Hafiz.